Alright everyone, so today we're in downtown Chicago at the McCormick Center. We're going to go see Fabtech. It's a huge building, a lot of things to see and do here, and I'll try to keep it interesting for everybody. Alright, so let's go see the show. This is three huge buildings. Each has 3 floors.
Yeah, we always get yelled at for something.
Try to focus on a few things and see what they get. This area has a lot of metal finishing, powder coating, painting, that kind of thing in it. I'm ready. So the laser would just take all its keys right from the CAD software, kind of like the program kind of acts like a CAD CAM a little bit.
Right, yep. Yeah, so you can go from your CAD, bring it into the CAM, and we have a full nesting software in there for your parts. So for, say, a roll cage, you can bring all that in, all the same parts. You'd have 2 different nests for 2 different part sizes.
Right.
But you would bring it all in, you would nest them on multiple sticks. You'd hit start, and then you would just keep feeding it sticks until your nest is done.
It's strictly, I guess, does work in some 3D a little bit. It has to, doesn't it?
Yeah, we're a 3D software. We can import DXFs, but as far as files that we bring in STEP and IGES.
Okay.
But yeah, we work on in a 3D CAD and CAM.
This is just highlights of the show. I could easily have made this a 3-hour video. This is just some of the finer points covering kind of a broad spectrum of the things that they have there. See all kinds of things at the show. Wouldn't that make building bumpers easy? Yeah, that's a nice bender.
Do you think you'll ever get in to find some jobs that would use that?
One can only hope, but you know, that dream had to be really big for that. That's a nice bender.
Well, do you want me to send you some information so
sure.
that you can, that way, I would hate for you to walk away from this and get a job and then, I wish I knew who that company was.
Yeah, that's a nice bender. I like how after it's done, robot picks it and what this other area's got. Looks quite full. Nice Tillman booth. Some of the new Lincoln machines. This is inside the Lincoln trailer. That pressure vessel is for the skills competition. I had a lot more footage in here where I talked to Barbie the welder. I don't know what happened to it, but there was a lot to see and do in that trailer. Large format 3D printer. That's robotic welding setup. Definitely the welding floor. Nice system there. It'd be nice to have something like this in the shop. Big strong hand tools, welding table. nice setup. This would be the perfect size table for us right here. Little area for tooling. Nice to have a set of these. Not to worry about all the... How you doing? Doing good. Nice setup for a picture table with tubing and everything. No lack of tooling. In the CK booth, all kinds of torches. That's what I want to try right here. Don't know what I want to invest to try it or not. A lot of cool stuff there at the CK booth. See what else I got. There's even some large gantry style robot welders. Tabo's got a nice booth. That'd be nice for tubing. Fireball tool. Jason's in his booth. All the big social media people were there. Seen several people I know from Instagram and videos and that kind of thing. So you can import step files, DXF, that little plasma table was cutting out Chicago. It was a sign that had the skyline on it. It said Chicago on it. It's kind of hard to see it when it's just in its format right there. The show just keeps going and going. If you're into manufacturing, there's something here for just about everybody. Metal forming, finishing, welding, bending. It pretty much is all in that one location. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at Lake Michigan. Alright, so we're outside of the McCormick Center. It's a huge center, 3 buildings, 3 floors. One area overlooks Lake Michigan. It's always a good view. You can see over there's I think it's a museum and everything. I thought at one time there was an airport on that little island right there. They may have gotten rid of it. Pretty cool waterfall. Before we see everything that's inside of there. But we're in downtown Chicago. So this TIG torch actually fed wire in, kind of treated a TIG torch kind of like a MIG. It's pretty interesting. Bigger fan saws. So nice little saw, goes up to 4 inches, variable speed, nice for the shop. That's for some serious metal finishing there. Alright, so that was the 2021 Fabtech show in Chicago. Pretty good show. If you see anything else you'd like to see from the channel, please let me know. Please check out some of the other videos that pop up here. And I'll see you in the next build out. It's been 4x4 Fab Shop.